confuse people. I've had teachers who maybe either didn't understand how to explain it to someone who didn't know, or I don't know, but ended up just confusing a whole classroom of people. And at that point, everyone's like, well, it happened to me actually last semester. Our teacher didn't teach us much. Us grad students were having to teach after hours to all the undergrads.
So you feel like it was a teacher's lack of knowledge themselves, or lack of willingness to admit that they didn't know?
No, in that particular case, it was a scheduling thing. He was really busy.
Okay.
And yeah, I would just say explain it very simply. Don't go into mineralogy, things like that. That'll be over their heads. Just point out the really cool things, like the fact that Olympus Mons is the highest volcano, and show things like those scale pictures where I showed Vias Marineris across the entire United States. That's something to really get the picture across.
There was a study came out not too long ago, in the past year or so, where they interviewed a bunch of scientists and engineers. And one of the questions they asked them was, who influenced you? Like, what people influenced you to go into this? And probably not too surprising, they mentioned teachers or their parents. And you know what's the lowest? I mean, it was like less than 1% of people who said a certain person that influenced them. And I'm bringing this up because NASA's been trying to do this lately, and it irritates me, are celebrities. And you see a lot of people trying to bring in celebrities that support science to do things with it, that teach people. That's not what influenced them to go to science.
So if you're in a commercial, write the song, it's here and gone. You know what I mean? But that being there for a whole year with this group of kids, or in a school for 3 or 4 years, where you're continuing to integrate and make contact with those kids, even if you have them in 6th grade, you're going to see them for 7th and 8th, you have them for 9th, you're running through the halls with that 11th and 12th. You're still able to have that mentoring impact on them. So it's a more longevity than perhaps a movie star or a singer who pops on NASA TV and do a song, and the song's cool, but we heard it 2 years ago, we've heard it since. Where'd he go? Will he come to our classrooms to speak? No. That's the kind of stuff that if they had that availability, and that these performers, were willing to, then that might make an impact. Then they might turn some kids around.
Before we continue with this conversation, we're just about due for a break, and I know that some of you want to chat with Zach as well. So first of all, let's thank Mr. Zach Gallegos for joining us and presenting. Fabulous. I know some of you are looking at his poster, want to chat with him one-on-one. Some of you want to continue this discussion. And what time was the break? Snack supposed to? Now. So there should be a snack there. I'm going to go double check on that. Let's turn on some lights and have a break and chat.
We'll start up again at 3.
So you started this process to become one of the marshals